everybody check your wallet. If everybody to with it, I want the person say, "Hey, I won."
Yeah. What's the chances of it being somebody in this the voice chat right now?
So are you doing it right now?
That would be amazing if it was.
Is he doing it right now?
Right. It went through.
Yeah.
Everybody check their wallet. I'll see if I can't pull up the transaction hash in a second.
Okay.
Everybody check your wallet.
Okay.
No, it's not me. It's not me. I know
All right. The wallet number ends in. Let's see. Where did it go? What did I click on? Did I get an undo? What just happened? Well, I had it pulled up. All right. It's the wallet ending in 1840A. 1840A. It looks like they have a total of 55 billion glow.
Brian, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Can you hear me?
You say, yeah, did you say 18 as in the number 840A?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1840A.
All right. Thank you.
The
Looks like
winner
they
might
got
be the winner might be one of my friends, man, because he got some Meta on that wallet, and I brought many people from Meta into this project.
that.
The value, it looks like they have around 55 billion tokens. So if you have around 55 billion, it might be you.
Yeah.